Now you can see here, I'll bring you in close. You shoot it in, goes straight through, it's flush, and it hits into the timber. And if I were to try and use my normal rapid that holds T50, you can see it doesn't go through the metal. You almost always miss. Normally, you have to aim the thing and clip it on the corner of the circle. And when you use this all day, you miss a lot. Whereas this, no, it just goes straight away.
Oh, what do we got here? New video alert.
My new toy.
Full review coming up after this short ad break. Hi, welcome back. We got DJ from the Drywall Gangsters.
This is my new toy.
Oh, unboxing.
I've used it for about a week now.
Milwaukee, get in touch with DJ. You're gonna deserve it. You're gonna deserve it after this one. What do we got here? Yeah, Gary swears by it, eh?
Yeah. I know the Drywall Shorty made the first review with it.
Yep.
I think Gary did one. Those two did it.
So this is the third.
I knew I had to get one of these versions. I got the M12 version of this as well.
Yep.
It's not in the car, and it shoots. Shoots these staples. They're a lot smaller and a lot flimsier, so I use the T50 with that.
Yep.
And these thicker ones, longer. They're 16mm, they're 10. They fit for this.
Have a look at that. That's a nice rig. Nice. The battery lasts all day.
Oh, I've been using it for a week.
Yeah, really.
But I've only got about 30 acres between these.
Yeah.
It's not cheap, but if it lasts, the fact that you don't have to aim when you put these in, I'll show you what happens when you do aim.
Mud box is all washed out.
Just checking it for depth because this thing gets changed. So the way I do my stand-ups, I put it on tight, I'll slide it around a little, and you can sort of tell straight away how bad it is. And then from there, I always put the bottom and top on tight. I'll go and stable this. And then I'll go to the top. Same thing at the top. You know, square and tight. And then I'll grab my straight edge. Now, you'll see that it needs to come out a lot more because it's not sitting on nice and tight there. And then I'll check the other side as well while I'm here. The other side's pretty good. So I'll pinch it just a little bit. Because if you don't pinch it and I staple that in, it'll flap and want to pull over the other side. So I'll go to pinch it just tiny bit. Get it all straight. Yeah, and I'll do it again. That's pretty straight. I'm gonna take it out. Right. Yeah. I'll get it outside.
Right, plank, screws.
That's pretty good.
Why do you need to have that camera right there?
And then you just double check that you haven't pulled it too far. I use this the square. And it's got a bit of fill all the way through. And then that's it. That's on tight there. It's on tight top and bottom. And if you were to check it straight, pretty straight. And you can go through it something like this and just finish it off, and I'll run that.
You never have to worry about it not going in, right?
It goes straight through. It's 16 mil, so it goes into the.
Yeah.
Through the metal anyway, right? Yeah.
It has it sitting here, the lid, and then you tries to click that in, which it works, it's not a full roll. When it's full roll, it won't click in all the way because this is not.
There you go. Battery ran out after a week.
It sits it on here and then goes to the back.
It's like everything goes wrong when you fucking make a video.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Just died.
Oh.
Huge mix on road.
Wow, it finally dies in the day. I believe we have 2 batteries.
Luckily, I've got a spare.
Is that your first Milwaukee skin?
No, I had that T50 one as well.
Yeah.
So
18 volt? First 18
No,
volt.
it's 12.
now you can see here, I'll bring you in close. You shoot it in, it goes straight through, it's flush, and it hits into the timber. And if I were to try and use my normal rapid that holds T50, you can see it doesn't go through the metal. You almost always miss. Normally, you have to aim the thing and clip it on the corner of the circle. And when you use this all day, you miss a lot. Whereas this, no, you just go straight away. Like it just doesn't miss. And it's far, it's way more solid. Because again, it's going in through the timber. That's why I'm wondering when we do a metal frame house, is this going to be useless?
Yeah, right. Well, possibly.
This is hollow on the inside. So if you were to put this on, that's pretty good now because I pinched it. If I didn't pinch it, it would have sat something like that. So if I were to staple that off, it would wrap the angle around, and then you wouldn't be able to coat the other side nicely. You go through and pinch it slightly, then again, you get your straight edge, your level, check for straight, hold it, and you can see here, now it's touching. When I staple these two off, it's not going to change anything. So I'll put one in. That's that side done. this side. Pretty good. It's not too bad. This one's got a bow like this. So normally to fix that, you would put it tight where the bow is, and then you would pull the bottoms out to make it perfectly straight. I don't really mess around with that anymore because I used to do that, and you'll get frames sometimes where it's almost 10 mil out for you to make it straight. And then I'd come through later, my angle would sit something like that to get it straight, and we're only filling it this far, you know, we're not filling it all the way to the internal. Some walls are 6 meters plus. So when you do that and it's finished, you see a massive bow in the skirting. So you either see the bow on the angle or you see it somewhere else. Same with the cornice will do it as well. So you'll have your 10 mil cornice line, and then it opens up to 20 mil sometimes, depending how bad the frame is. So I always leave it because it's way harder to see a very slight curve in an angle, especially in a room this tight, versus seeing something, a massive 10 mil curve on something so short. So I'll just put it on tight. And then you can check it quickly. You'll see it's a mil out, flush, top, bottom. Nobody's ever going to be able to see that. Now, if this was a kitchen and I knew cabinets were going to be going on here, then I would make sure it's perfect, because you wouldn't have your skirting and you want to find it protected because you'll have panels going up against it. Once you've got your middle, top and bottom points on, that's it, you just finish it. Normally, on a 2.4 angle, I'll put 3 in the middle from the center, and the bottom, 3 more, and the top. Every time, perfect flush. It's not, this thing isn't inconsistent. It's not putting some really deep, others not enough. It's like the exact same every time, which is really good. So that's those done.